Hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to get command line argument to the program. uh, Actually command line argument is one way to get user input to your Java program. Basically there are some other methods, uh, like we can use BufferedReader or scanner class. We have talked about BufferedReader before, and next video I'm going to tell you about scanner class. Let's look at how to use command line argument to get user input to Java program. Firstly, we have to create a Java class. I'm going to use a notepad++. First, type public class user. I'm just user for class name. Then we have to use main method, public static void main. You know how to create, I think you know how to create basic Java main method in class string args. I'm going to save it in my C folder. C drive. I have a folder created Java. I'm gonna name it as user.java. Guys, note here we have used a parameter string args. We can't use another data type like int. Then your program is going to show you this is not a main method. Use main method. If I show you that I have int, I'm simply gonna use system dot out dot int to show you. This is simple, and I'm gonna use command prompt. I'm going to look at my Java folder. For that, type cd change directory. Change directories. I'm going to copy my path here. Then I'm going to paste it. Right click on the cmd. Then I'm in my Java folder, so I can compile my program. It's in Java C user.java. It's work fine, no compiling error. Then now I can run my program using Java user. We don't have to specify .java. Show us that error I told you. We can't use any other data type than string. Only can use string here. If we change data type, then command line show you this is not the main method. Main method not found in class user. Please define the main method as public static void string. So here string. Now if I run my program, compile, I have to compile first, then I'm going to run my program. It's show us hello. This parameter we are going taking command line argument. This args, we can change this args to any name. This is a array to use get command line argument. you can see here main method. That's mean when we starting the program, main method is the firstly going to run. So when we get command line argument, we have to get parameters, we have to give arguments when we run the program. So here if I simply get here args 0, you can see args 0 mean index. If I think you know how to use arrays. In the array, first index is 0. So if I want to print first index of our command line argument, we can use that way. I'm going to compare my program. It's fine. Then I'm going to run. I told you guys this is main method. If main method is the firstly running when we run the program, so we have to give command line arguments in runtime. So we have to then we now have to use our arguments. In for arg0, I'm going to give here a name, simply name John. Okay, John showing as output. Because of I use system out to just print arg0 here. We can use like this. We can get many output, or you can use one if we want two arguments. I'm going to compile, then I'm going to run my program. First I'm going to clear this screen, then we can run our program. See guys, I run program without giving arguments. We here get two arguments, but I didn't give when it run. I didn't give any parameter, any argument when we running. So then this Java program show us exception in thread. Java array index out of bound because we are using two index 0 and 1, but we have no arguments in the array. That's mean in this array, in this args array, we don't have values. If we don't have values, we can't get index. So that's why they are showing us here array index out of bound 0. That's mean no values in the array. So then we can't use argument. We don't have index. So how can we print? For that we have to give here and John, and I used two command line arguments. So second one is was file, and now print enter. You can see here John was, both name are showing together because I only use print statement, not print ln. I use print ln here, so fine. Run the program, compile the program, then run the program. Oh, I forgot to use arguments. John Rosita. You can see guys, here we have two arguments. First argument name John, second argument Rosita. What if we want to use integers? we only can get string type, so we can get string and we can convert it to into any type. I get age. Age is equal to args 0. See guys, here, see, here is string, here is age. If we run this program, Java will give us incompatible error. So I have to convert this into, we have to use integer dot pass int. Guys, note here, this integer and this integer. This is primitive data type. This is wrapper class, integer wrapper class. Why this we use integer wrapper class? Because when we have integer primitive data type, we cannot get something like size of the data type. We cannot do manipulation of primitive data type. For that, Java has created wrapper class. Then we can convert, we can use methods of this class, integer class. Every primitive data type Java has wrapper class. For example, without int we have double. We can use double. We have double print type. We can use double. Then we can use methods here. Likewise, here we have use pass int. This is the method in the wrapper class, pass int. This will convert this string into integer, then assigning it to this integer type. Then I'm going to type age here. Run the program. It's work fine. I'm going to clear this screen. User, I have to give one argument, age. I'm used to 18. Yeah, it's 18 print. But if I give string here, name, so it shows us number format exception because we are trying to convert this into integer. We have, if we give a string name like name, we cannot convert it into integer. You know that, guys, I think. So we can do any manipulation. If I use if condition here to check our age greater than 18, then I'm going to add some string. You are adult person. I'm going to paste this, and if I not greater than 18, I'm going to show you sorry, not pardon, person, and you are younger person, younger person, and save it. I'm using up arrows to go to previous type text. Java compile it. Okay, then we can run. If I print 18, it will show us you are younger person. Here we have to person Control S save. I compile and run it again. Waiting you are younger person. Like that we can do any manipulation. We also can get here a number 1, then we can do some math here. We can print number 1 plus 3. Here we have edge here, then I'm going to clear this lines. Here we have the change and get number 1 plus 3, then save it and compile it. Oh, it shows us, oh, I'm using 0 here, not 0, oh, yeah, see, compile it, run it, in 18 plus 3, 21, it's my way editing. Like that we can use any data type and we can convert using wrapper class. We are using wrapper class without converting like primitive data type because here our data type is string. You know guys, string is an object, so if we want to convert into a primitive data type we have to use wrapper class. Thank you for watching. If you have any problems, primitive data types or anything about programming, I see you next time. Subscribe, like my videos. Thank you.